Hey, what's up everybody? It's Joel Runk with Motorworks BMW, and I'm right here with the brand new 2021 BMW X5. It's a great SUV, but one common complaint that we hear from clients is they don't want to get an SUV because they're concerned about parking it with bigger blind zones. Well, you'll be happy to know on some trim levels of the X5, as well as the X7, which is a full-size SUV, it can actually park itself in both parallel spots and in 90-degree backup spots. So let's demonstrate this feature. It's pretty cool. So I found that the sweet spot is right around 10 miles per hour. You have to be going less than 20 miles per hour for this to work. And when you park, you're certainly not going to be going that fast by any means. But for the system to work optimally, for the system to work at an optimum level, right around 10 to 15 miles per hour I found is the best. So we're going around the curve here. Camera's on, sensors are on. Let's look for a place to park. Coming up on a couple spots here. Let's see what the system picks up. And there we have it. So it says to select parking space to start parking. We have a couple of options here. We have a rectangle going horizontally. We have one going vertically. That means it's found two places where you can park. Now, the driver always has to verify the parking spot. You're always responsible for the operation of the vehicle, whether it's in automatic parking mode or not. So right now, I can see that no parallel spot exists. We're in an aisle right here, but we have a 90-degree spot that does. So you want to select the P. It's going to say, where do you want to park? Do you want to park parallel, or do you want to park in a perpendicular spot? We want the perpendicular spot. We want to go to the right. So now the steering wheel is illuminated green here on the icons, and it's going to start parking. Hands are off the wheel, and you just want to regulate the speed of the vehicle with the brake. It can take care of the speed itself, but I just like to, gently touch the brake just to verify that the vehicle is maneuvering properly, that we're not going to collide with anything. See there, a car just went in front of me. So, and the vehicle knows when to shift forward. Isn't that cool? Hands are off the wheel. Almost finished. It says completed, vehicle secured, and the vehicle automatically puts itself in park. So there you have it. The hope with this is that when you look at SUVs, you're not afraid of the whole aspects of parking. The technology can really assist you. Again, it doesn't replace the human eye, but in tight quarters, or situations where there's a very densified parking lot, or maybe that only space is a parallel space, you're not very good at parallel parking, this machine can do wonders. It's another thing that the ultimate driving machine can do. Thanks for watching.